If we haven't met, my name's Ken Edmonds, and on my channel I talk about traveling with challenges. But this video is about a brand new program from Royal Caribbean coming right up. So Royal Caribbean's brand new program is called FlexPay. So the way the program works is you can divide your payments up over a period of time. And now, the soonest you can do it, set it up, is when you make your initial deposit. And the program requires, obviously, that the final payment be on or before your final payment date for the cruise. But other than that, you have a great deal of flexibility of when you schedule the payments. The cool feature about it is that you can schedule it in 10 payments. Now, it'll set it up automatically. You can set it up to auto pay to a credit card, which is really convenient because then you're in control. And it just gives you a simple way to pay for your next vacation. Do me a favor, look down at your subscribe button. If it's red, that is an emergency warning from YouTube that you're not subscribed to the channel. You'll want to go down and click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon. That way you'll know when new content comes out. And there's always new content every week. One of the best things about it, there are not any fees ever. This is a free program to use. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So that's, I think, an amazing difference between this and what other cruise lines offer, because they typically are programs that there is some expense associated if you sign up for those. Another really cool piece of this is that you can cancel or change your payment schedule at any time. So you're basically in complete control of the process. You want to work with your travel agent, and you just contact them and they'll make the adjustments for you. So again, it is a very useful tool, and it's very convenient. In the comments down below, do me a favor and let me know what you think about FlexPay from Royal Caribbean. Here's another really cool part of it, is that if you want to change your vacation, so let's say you booked a Caribbean cruise and you want to change it to an Alaska cruise, not a problem. Because it will take the payments once the new booking's made and the other one's canceled. It'll take the payments and the payment schedule and adjust it according to the difference in price and set it up for that cruise. And for those of you that have a bucket list trip, what a great way to finance your bucket list trip and have it paid for. For example, let's say that you wanted to do the around the world cruise that Royal Caribbean offers. And you don't want to do it in 2023, but as soon as booking opens up for 2024, it could divide that. You could set it up, put your deposit down, and divide the payments up into 10 payments spaced as you wanted them. But the same thing applies if it's your first cruise and you want to go to Alaska in 2022, you can set it up that way. You want to go to Alaska in 2023, you can set it up that way. Whatever you want, you can, as long as there's some time between deposit day and final payment day, you can set it up to accomplish what you need. I think this is a great opportunity for individuals to perhaps explore destinations they might not otherwise choose because of the convenience of splitting the payments up. You're going to see the video get small with my face up in the corner. If you look at your subscribe button and it's still red, if you click on my face, it'll subscribe you to the channel. You want to hit that little bell icon as well so that you get notified when new content comes out. And you'll see a playlist of other information about Royal Caribbean that you may find very interesting. We'll see everybody in the next video.